Want the ultimate in hard wax protection? Enter the Rock and Vintage. High in Canuba, these two paste waxes offer exceptional durability and unrivaled brilliance. Vintage even topped Pro Detailer magazine's mega test with an incredible 95% gloss rating. As the name suggests, Vintage is ideal for classic cars and concours level show cars, while the Rock is designed to enhance modern, exotic and tuned paintwork, including matte paints. Just apply it with a black hand puck or even massage it into the paintwork by hand. When you need a fast and easy to apply product, perhaps in unreliable weather conditions, then Neo is your answer. It's a multitasking polymeric gloss sealant that can be used on paint, glass, chrome, rubber and unpainted plastic parts, basically the entire car. It can be used on dry or wet surfaces and applied by hand with a Neo Honey Spider Puck or with a dual action machine using the Neo Honey Spider Pad. There are also two compounds in the Scholl range that not only remove defects like a normal compound, but also protect the surface with a wax coating. For this all-in-one style, you can choose A15 Plus or EcoFix E all-in-one. With a complementary pad, these two medium cut compounds will remove heavy scratches and also protect and finish to a high to brilliant gloss in just one step. So whether you want speed, extreme gloss, flexibility of application or the ultimate in wax protection, Scholl Concepts has already created the perfect product for your needs. But remember, Scholl's entire wax and sealant range should be used sparingly because of their incredibly high quality formulations. This means you get outstanding results and have very little residue or wastage, saving you money in the process.